absolutely illustrious panel with some remarkable gentlemen who have found time to be with us. I really acknowledge their time and appreciate their presence here today. But before we move to all of them and have their words and thoughts for us, as innovation really becomes the core gene with which the world can solve a lot of its problems, the focus here today is on a young lad, Aditya Panchpande. He's a beautiful young talent out of Pune, a lovely city, perhaps a city that in itself kind of is a beautiful breeding ground for innovation. Historically, it is known to be a city for education and educational excellence in India. So it is no surprise that he comes from a city like that. India, of course, has been very well known over the centuries to be a nation of innovation. We probably lost the plot for a few years, but we certainly seem to be getting back there. And young Aditya, rather than sitting back and looking and waiting for someone else to solve the problems, has himself been, in the context of one of our illustrious speakers, probably been tinkering around at his house. And in all the tinkering that he's been doing, he's been creating a lot of solutions for this world. Most importantly, perhaps appropriately, on Gandhi Jayanti, when we salute the Mahatma, he's probably been in his own way working on frugal innovation or Gandhian innovation, if I may call it that, producing a Suraksha box for less than 500 rupees, which is truly remarkable. But what I really appreciate about a youngster like this, and these youngsters are sometimes gracious in calling you a mentor, and yes, I have been associated with him. Sometimes it's more a matter of confusion than clarity for people like me when I talk to such youngsters, because you often wonder who's mentoring whom. And these kids seem to be so fearless in what they offer you as advice. So you're often on the receiving end than the advocacy side. Truly wonderful to have a youngster like him. His clarity, his humility, his vision for solving problems of the world strikes me, because I think many of us were nowhere close to this kind of clarity when we were back in school. And the more important part is he has decided not to focus his future on what he does, but to bring in far more children, students from college, the youth, to create a movement for innovation. I think that is important. Individually, we can solve problem A and B, but if we collectively come together, we can solve problem C, D, E, F, G, H. And that, I think, is what Aditya intends to do, of course, with the support of a lot of us. And the moment the intent of a youngster is right, it's really nice to see a galaxy of people willing to give their time and their precious advice to all of us. So gratitude to everyone who's chipping in for a wonderful start to a great future. But for now, to a young boy who's really put this thing together, I don't think he's ever written so many invitation mails in his life as he has for the Next Gen Innovate, conclave, and he's been doing that religiously. That's like serious homework that he's been doing. But for now, a young little lad from Pune leads the way for us. Can I request him to share his thoughts before we move on with the deliberations? All yours, Aditya. Welcome to you as well.
Thank you so much for introducing me. So, good morning, everyone. I hope you all are having, I hope you all and your loved ones are doing well. First of all, wishes to all of you on Gandhi Jayanti and salutations to great Mahatma Gandhi. A warm welcome to all of our dignitaries, all those of you who are watching from across the world, ladies and gentlemen, and especially the young minds. Thank you so much for accepting my invitation and being here today. I am so happy and blessed to see so many well-wishers and supporters for this mission. In a world deluged with irrelevant information, clarity is power, says one thinker. If there is one power to absolve the world of problems, it's called innovation, says another. I am excited and delighted to humbly share the news of the launch of my startup Next Gen Innovate, which is an enterprise for young innovators as well as change makers of the world. WSIS is the first initiative by NextGen Innovate, and Suraksha Box is the first social initiative by NextGen Innovate. The theme of this summit is to deliberate on how to provide an ecosystem to nurture innovators, change makers, and thought leaders of tomorrow. The World Student Innovation Summit is a one of its kind student-led platform that seeks to create an innovation movement across the world. We want to engage young minds and celebrate the ones who have innovated in any field. WSIS seeks to provide students, teachers, and educators a platform to nurture innovators, change makers, and thought leaders of tomorrow. The summit aims to inspire and encourage students to ask questions, to be creative, to think outside the box, and now to think outside the building, using various innovation tools and techniques like design thinking to come up with unique solutions and ideas to problems and issues faced by families and communities, and even solve global issues and make the world a better place. The global pandemic of COVID 19 has brought in a lot of hardships for human lives and has definitely disrupted the day to day lives of the entire population. One such hardship that we all have been currently facing in our household is how to sterilize the vegetables and groceries and parcels that we purchase from outside. Well, our household warriors have been using various methods to sterilize veggies and groceries, like exposing them under sunlight, or even washing them with baking soda and potassium permanganate, or even using sanitizers. However, these methods are not completely hygienic and they have their own drawbacks. These are very tedious, time consuming, and waste a lot of water and other chemicals. As a responsible citizen and young innovator, I, Aditya Pachpande, student of grade 9, Indus International School, Pune, have designed a well thought out solution that can be utilized by household members to sterilize items that we buy from outside. Extreme times have always led humans to be more creative and come up with unique and innovative solutions. Here I present a do-it-yourself UVC light sterilization box, an easy sterilization method developed from regular materials that you can build at home during the lockdown. The Suraksha box can be used to sterilize vegetables, groceries, and everyday items and everyday items without using chemicals to protect yourself from all kinds of viruses, bacteria, and fungi. I have received the publication of the patent and I'm getting rave reviews from top scientists from CSIR and ICMR on the simplicity and scalability of the solution. I have also received a Government of India certification by CSIR and ICMR approved lab for this product. I feel that kids are much more innovative than adults. Being a kid, I have come up with a solution which, when implemented, created huge impact. I believe that every other kid out there has this potential to come up with unique solutions to the world's biggest problems. They just need the right guidance, resources, and an ecosystem. And this is exactly what NextGen Innovate will do. I was always inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's quote, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." And that had inspired me to change and innovate during this crisis. Many people asked me if I would commercialize the product when I received the patent publication. And I said straight away, no. This is not a time to do business, but rather to help others to get a chance to get back on their feet. So I decided to start and make this a social non-profit venture. Friends, what is important is not what I have created, but how it can help the needy. So please join our mission 15.1K to donate 15,100 COVID-19 Suraksha box kits to the underprivileged and schools. On the 151st birthday of Mahatma Gandhi ji, let's pledge for a safe environment and help each other to protect ourselves from this deadly virus. This Diwali, give the gift of Suraksha to a loved one, to an employee, to a customer, and together let's help prevent the spread of the virus and come out of this crisis. Because in every crisis lies an opportunity. Not only imagine the future, but create it. In words of Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, the role of education is to prepare students for the future jobs and careers. I have been speaking about the need for teaching innovation since many years now, and I am very happy to see now innovation is the main focus of the new education policy 2020 of India. Next Gen Innovate will be the right platform for education institutions to use for this purpose. Should I continue?
Yeah, Aditya, please go ahead.
Okay. We want to create an innovation movement and give students as well as teachers a voice, a platform for sharing, improving, innovating, creating innovations which will help to solve various problems and share that with the rest of the world. We also want to teach students all around the world um, various important skills through Next Gen Innovate clubs and various other activities such as competitions, events, talks, which will help to set up, which we will set up in all the schools around the world. And we will also sell various Alexa and innovation kits through that. The power of innovation should flourish in every child as well as teachers in the world so that they can come up with various creative ideas and solutions to the problems faced by their families and communities, even for global issues, and let us together make the world a better place. My mission is to set up innovation clubs in every possible school in the world, and my vision is to teach children various important skills like critical thinking, creativity, innovation, problem solving skills to prepare them for the coming future. Let us all have a wonderful day learning from a galaxy of star studded experts as we commit ourselves to innovations that will help to create a better world. Thank you.